Can this little can save you tens of thousands of dollars in legal fees? It's not magic, and there are some legal and practical limits we have to consider. So I switched to the Palm Industries pepper spray after they sent me some items to test, and I want to tell you, this is not a paid sponsorship. It's the honest truth. So we're going to have a frank conversation today. Palm, P-O-M Industries reached out to me and wanted me to test some of their products. And again, this is not a paid sponsorship. It's an honest pepper spray review. I'll always tell you guys the truth. If something's good, I'll tell you it's good and why. If it sucks, I'll tell you that too. So with that out of the way, I want to ask you, what's your plan for the 99% of problems that don't require a firearm? Now I'm talking about the guy who gets in your face over a parking spot, the drunk stumbling toward your spouse, or the dog who gets loose on the morning walk. If your only tool is lethal, you don't have a lot of options in some of these moments, which could be gray areas. Pulling a gun, even if you think it's justified or it is justified, can be the start of a life-altering legal and financial nightmare. But here's another hard truth. The aftermath of a lethal encounter absolutely matters. A justified shooting can still drag you into that six-figure legal battle, can wipe out your retirement and your savings. And the other weight we all have to consider, the moral cost of taking a life. And that's a line you cannot uncross. Most of us pray we never have to cross it. Now, I am not talking about replacing your gun. I'm talking about completing your everyday carry system with a tool that gives you more options and hopefully a little peace of mind. This little guy right here. We may not always carry a gun, whether you're in gym shorts, taking out the trash, watering the garden, running to the store. Putting on a belt or holster can take time and effort. And that's where complacency can happen. A good pepper spray can fix that. Clip one in your pocket, you've got some grab and go layer protection. Gives you a way to end a situation without crossing that lethal line. And I want to be very clear on this. Pepper spray is not a free legal pass. If you use it irresponsibly or in the wrong circumstances, you can still face charges or a civil lawsuit. Laws vary by state or even by city. Check your state's self-defense laws, or you can talk to your local police or sheriff's department before you buy or carry. The pepper spray is not going to eliminate your risk, but it does dramatically reduce the odds that a heated encounter will cost you money or time in jail. It's a tool to buy time, not a guarantee. Back in the military, in my police training days, I've been sprayed, and it hits like a ton of bricks. It's like having burning lava in your eyes, nose, mouth, and throat, and it sucks. Pepper spray gives you time to get you or your family away and to call 911. Now, obviously, if you ever have to use pepper spray, call 911 for medical help, report what happened. EMS can check anyone hit by the spray, and the call creates an official record. Now, in terms of carrying, I like the spring-loaded safeties over the sliding style, which is what I used to carry. I think the flip tops are less likely to snag in a pocket, and I don't have to worry about accidentally snagging the little safety on something, and all of a sudden I've got mace in my pants. That said, it's not a one-size-fits-all. My dad does have arthritis and several hand surgeries for bone spurs he had a while back, and he had no trouble using it. The smaller cans can be tricky for people with limited hand strength, or if it's winter and you have big gloves on. Well, they're small. But that's okay. Palm thought of that. We have the Mark III, the bigger brother. It does have a bigger body, there's more can to hold on to, and better leverage on your safety. That's nice and big. But regardless of size and type of safety, use one that works for you. Now, Palm sent over the big Mark III. They also sent over the keychain model, a couple of inert trainers, and this pocket clip model. They're all very light, easy to carry. Mark III comes in at a little over 3 ounces, and the smaller ones come in at a little over 2. I will note that the keychain can be a problem for someone with arthritis or hand injuries. There's a little button right there you press, and you just have to pull that apart. Now, I admit I should have had my dad try that, but I didn't. My bad, sorry. The smaller models, and they also have one for runners, were very accurate and effective up to 12 feet. They both have a continuous spray for about 9 to 10 seconds, but the Mark III is good for up to 18 feet, a little farther distance. But you get the same 9 to 10 second continuous spray. Now we're going to turn up the heat. Jalapenos come in between 2,500 and 8,000 Scoville units. These bad boys are in the Carolina Reaper zone. Each runs about 2.2 million Scoville units. So anyone hit with this stuff will be clawing their eyes out, and if not, they're probably a robot or something. Keep in mind there are real-world limitations. Wind can blow the spray off target. Crowds are obviously going to make use of this complicated, highly intoxicated, drunk, stoned, or certain medical conditions may reduce the effect. It's a spray. It's a tool for buying time, not a guarantee. Now, do all your testing safely. I did all mine of outdoors, no people or pets in the area, and I used an inert trainer. I live near a school, and I did not want to take any chances. So always follow safe handling when trying your gear. Now, if you want something I personally trust for pocket carry, I've linked the palm models I've tested in the description below. Take a look, pick the size that fits your hand and your carry system. At the end of the day, this is about being a calmer, more capable protector, removing sources of anxiety like the financial risk, the stress of concealment, work, fear of a physical attack. This can all give you a quiet confidence if those are removed. A man or woman who's less anxious is a better husband, father, or grandfather, or wife, mother, grandmother. You're more present. If you'd like more tactical gear lessons and long-term carry strategies, visit us at everydaygunowner.com, and we're writing a book right now. Should be out in a couple of months, but you can join the early access list right there. And if this helped, please click like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments, do you carry a less lethal option as part of your everyday carry? So stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you next week.